Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to make some Christmas decor. So the first thing that I'm going to make is a Christmas gift card, and for that I'm using a craft paper which is of 12 by 7 centimeters, and on top of it I'm going to stick a white color paper with the help of a stick. So you must be thinking that why am I using craft paper and then sticking a white color paper. So the reason behind this is that this is a gift card, so gift cards need to be a little thick and sturdy, so that is the reason I'm using craft paper and then a normal white colored paper. So after the sticking process is done, I am going to basically draw a triangle on this card, and then I am going to use 3 shades of green. So here I am using brush pens, but you can do the same with normal sketch pens. Here I am basically creating slant strokes. So here when I'm editing the video and doing a voiceover, it basically feels so satisfying to watch, and trust me, the results are also amazing. So we made the Christmas tree, but there is one thing missing, that is the star. So basically I've cut out a star out of paper, and then I am basically going to complete this card by writing Merry Christmas using a red sketch pen. And here your gift card is ready. This will add a personal touch to your gift. So here we are going to make another gift card, and this is going to be different from the first one. I am using a craft paper again, and the craft paper is of 9 by 6 centimeter, and instead of sticking a white paper on top, I am going to use acrylic white paint. So after the acrylic paint is completely dried up, I am going to create a base sketch, and here I am using simple lines and circles to create this Santa Claus. It is very easy to recreate. And after the sketch is done, we are going to paint our Santa Claus using acrylic colors. The Santa Claus gift card turned out to be super cute. The next thing we are going to make is basically a kind of decor that you can hang on your Christmas tree. So here I have the circular things. I don't know how to describe them, but I had them and I always thought I'll make something out of it. Instead of using this, you can also go for bottle caps or even cardboard. The first thing you need to do is basically attach a string to it, apply a coat of white acrylic paint, and then I'm using a very tiny brush to create these cute hearts. This is what it turned out to be. It looks super cute. In one of my previous videos, I basically made this using molded clay, and today I've decided to paint a snowman on it. And these are all the final results. I hope you liked watching this video, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.